guys, this is Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So today, sadly and happily, in both ways, we are on the last day of my Dukka Dukka series, and which means that we are going to see how I have planned this year's Dashami look. And let's get started with the makeup and then we'll talk about a little more. But the first thing that I wanted to do today is not using any foundation, because first thing that I have realized that I have shown you a lot of makeup looks always using a good base, a heavy base, a light base or something, but nothing that is not without foundation or concealer or something like that. So today I'm going to show you something where I'm not using any liquid base products, especially because the other reason is, and most important reason is, that I'm going to show you a Dashami makeup look. Okay, so on Dashami it is always the boron thing and that Sidur Khela and everything we do, and while we are doing that we always tend to put on a lot of abir or maybe Sidur on our face, and eventually our makeup doesn't show up that well. But just to click some pictures, and before the boron, while we are standing near the idol for the last time clicking pictures with her or him or anybody, like whoever is there, I mean Ma Durga and her little kids. So for that we need to look a little presentable and not heavy makeup. We are not going to do heavy makeup, so let's just start. And for that, the first thing I'm going to use is this is MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder, which doubles up as a foundation, like a powder foundation. So I'm going to take this, which will do both for me. And I have cleaned my face is clean, my face is moisturized, and if it is a noon time or a morning time, don't forget to use your sunscreen before applying your makeup. That is very essential. So let's start. I'm gonna dust this powder very lightly all over my face. Well, you can do only your T-zone if you have combination skin, or if your T-zone gets oily just and nothing else, because my whole face gets oily and I sweat a lot. My whole face sweats, so that is why I'm going to use it everywhere. You don't have to use it everywhere, so I'm just going to do this. By the way, you can actually do this makeup on your regular basis, like it is an everyday makeup look, if I may say so. You might go a little crazy with your eyes if you wish to, but I'm gonna be very gentle with my eyes as well, because I've realized for all my videos I have done a lot for my face and my eyes, and you see I'm layering up the powder little by little. I'm not taking a lot and putting it on my face together. I'm just layering, and make sure that you pat the powder and then you dust. So what happens is, all the oils that you are having already, it will be soaked up. And also you need to set your face. Like we set our face after foundation, we are setting before the foundation. By the way, for my Dashami I have chosen a kurti to wear again, and I realized that this year for my Dukka Dukka series I have worn western only once, that is on Shoptumi, so that's okay. By the way, I hope you liked this Dukka Dukka series, because this is one of my favorite series to do. Like I have been doing my top 5 favorite series, and also there are a lot of series coming up, very exciting series I have planned from the ending of this year, I guess, at least after Diwali. So but Dukka Dukka series is my favorite to do. So yeah, my first step is done, that is putting a compact powder on my face, and I've chosen this compact because this is a little heavy compact. It is not that light, so it gives me a little coverage also, and also this makes my skin so smooth, like it doesn't come up. Okay, it doesn't come up. Then I'll show you. I have a tissue here and I'll just show you. See, there is nothing. But you see, it has become so smooth and everything. Like, I love this compact. It is very popular among my friends and my cousins especially, and I'm in the shade NC40, by the way. So yeah, this is the one. And now moving on to the next step, I'm just gonna do my eyes now quickly. Yes, I'm not going to do a lot of makeup on my face or on my eyes. Oh, let's do the eyes first. Yeah, let's do the eyes first. For my eyes, I'm gonna take a kajal pencil. This is from Plum. This is the Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. This is how it looks. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna line my waterline. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tight line my upper waterline as well as my lower waterline. So let's just do it quickly. So I've tight lined my lower waterline. Now it's time for the upper waterline, and it is a little like it looks a little spooky or very dangerous to me at least. So if you don't want to see it, then just skip it, or maybe I just put it in fast forward. So that is for my eyes now, and I'll do the mascara after I have completed my face. And for my face, nothing much. I'm just going to use a little bit of blush and nothing else. Yes, I'm going to take this Maybelline Flush Creator. It is in the shade Afterglow. This is the shade, and I guess you have seen this. And I'm going to take this part, this orange is the peachy part, not this one, and it is very pigmented, so don't forget to dust it off. And very lightly, just to give a little flush of color on my face so that it doesn't look pale. Pull a little back so that it just doesn't appear here. I'm just going to blend it with my face, with my cheekbones there, like I generally do when I have done contouring. And now I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter because now I am going without highlighter. And for my highlighter, I'm using Master Chrome by Face Studio from Maybelline New York. This is the one. You have seen all these products in all of my other videos, or especially in my my top 5 favorites. Though I am left to do the highlighter one, and I remember that after the pujo it is going to come up. So let's just highlight the face a little. And as I'm not going to do anything on my eyes as well, I'm going to highlight my inner corners. For my inner corners, I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is a very quick makeup look, and you can use it, like I told you, you can create this makeup look on your everyday basis. It can be your daily wear. Just plus minus the blush or the color of the blush, or basically the color of the blush depends on your mood. So nothing to tell you about that. Okay, now for my lashes, I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. And today I'm not gonna use any false lashes because I feel false lashes will add up to a lot of drama, and I don't want that much drama today on my face. As usual, you can see I'm doing nothing. By the way, my brows were done, okay? My brows were already done. I don't do brows on camera because it takes a lot of time. Similarly, I don't do false lashes on camera because that also takes a lot of time. By the way, if you want to see how I put on my lashes and also how I do my brows, then do let me know. I will make separate videos for that. One video each dedicated to how I do my brows and how I put on false lashes. But now let's do the mascara part. Done anything to my eyes and a lot to my face, so I'm going to add on some colorful lipstick on my face, like some dark lipstick, and for which I have took Cranberry Sangria from Nykaa. This is their Nykaa So Matte lipstick, and this is the one. And let's just put that. To be very honest, I don't like this lipstick a lot, especially its formula, because it is not totally matte. But yeah, I cannot deny the fact that how pigmented these lipsticks are. Now I'm just going to mattify this lipstick a little bit. So first I'm going to blot it my tissue paper. Does anybody want this? Just kidding. And then I'm gonna take the compact powder and put the tissue paper on my lip. This mattifies it more. So two bonus hacks that I've given you. And you may or you may not set this face, but I want to set my face because I've used a lot of powder, and it is just for my, what should I say, for my self-satisfaction that I'm going to set my face. So for that I'm using NYX Matte Finish setting spray, and oh, that was a lot. No, that's a lot. I'm going to add some earrings. My makeup look is basically complete, and my Dashami look is, complete. There's nothing more I'm gonna do. Just let my face dry down a little. So yes guys, that was it for my videos. That was it for my Dashami makeup look and for the last episode of my Durga Durga series of 2020. And also this is the last video of Durga Durga series of 2020. Few reminders: be safe, use sanitizers, maintain physical distancing if not social distancing, and wear your mask. Like, let me wear mine. I cannot end my Durga Durga series without wearing a mask. So I hope you can hear me. So wear your mask and maintain physical distancing. I hope that I am audible, and let me talk like this because it's very tough to talk in that mask, and also it will I'm not sure if you can hear me behind the mask. So keep wearing your mask, maintain the distance, use sanitizers, and also tell your friends and your family to try to cut off the places where there you think it is going to be very crowded, or I don't know what to say. Like, this year it is a little tricky, but we have to bear with it. We cannot stop celebrating at any cost, and I hope that this Durga Puja will bring you a lot of happiness, a lot of health and wealth in your family and among your friends, and you will be happy for your entire life, and Ma Durga will bless us all. And I hope this goes away, this demon goes away. And with that, I'm going to end this video and also this series. It was kind of, I enjoyed doing this series. I enjoy it very much, as I told you in the very beginning. Also, all the products that I was talking about and I used, as I always tell you, that you don't have to use the same product, you don't have to even get the same makeup look if you don't wish to. But if you want to check these products out, then I will be listing them in the description box below. Also, my description box has my Instagram account details. So if you're not following me on my Instagram till now, then I will highly request you to follow me there, because I share a lot of makeup and skincare related stuff throughout the week, and we can have a lot of makeup party there together. So we'll love to see you there. And by that, I am going to end this video and also this series. So I hope you liked this video, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, because that will allow you to get a notification every time I upload a new video. So by saying that, I'll take off, and happy Pujo. অনেক ভালো থাকো সবাই। দুর্গা পুজো খুব ভালো করে কাটাও, খুব সেফলি কাটাও, সবাইকে ভালো রাখো, নিজে ভালো থাকো, আর অনেক মজা করো। দ্যাটস ইট। হ্যাপি দুর্গা পুজো। দুর্গা পুজোর অনেক শুভেচ্ছা। I'll be back after Pujo. I won't be uploading on the Pujo days, so ভিডিওটা আমি তখনই করব, এখন নয়। Okay, so the last thing I will promise is that I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.